Hello, welcome to AI360studio.com. Allow me to guide you on how to create a professional voiceover using our AI tool called Voice Genius in a couple of seconds. From your dashboard, locate and click the Voice Genius app using the search button. This is the first thing you will see when you open the Voice Genius app. Click Text to open the column where you insert text. Insert your text into the description column as shown above and then determine whether the voice should be a hype or inspirational. After that, press Create Voiceover and your audio will be ready instantly. To change anything on your audio, click Edit on your audio title and you will get the opportunity to change things regarding your voiceover. Here, you get to add or remove anything from your description, change language into any other around the world. You can change the narrator and lots more. After effecting your changes, press the button Regenerate and your updated voiceover will be regenerated immediately. Finally, press your audio title and click Download to get your voiceover in one piece. That's it. Now why don't you go try out this app right now and let our AI360 Studio Voice Genius app help you take your AI game and profits to another level. If you don't have an AI360 Studio app yet, then you have to go to AI360studio.com to sign up for an account at the special deal going on now. Thank you for watching.